let me remind the DPWH that the Blue Ribbon Committee several times have requested for so many documents from you. Until now, you have not done so. You please check with the staff of Blue Ribbon for all the several documents we have requested from you. Hindi pa ninyo ginagawa. Pangalawa, the two identified ghost projects na pinag-uusapan natin kanina, biglang nawala sa PCMA. At pagkatapos, bago tayo matapos sa PCMA, biglang naging unavailable ang PCMA. So may problema kayo dyan. In the next hearing, please tag along the director of the, whatever is that, construction, whatever. Dalhin mo dito siya sapagkat siya yung nakakaalam at siya yung nagmamanage nito because we wanted him to install that program, that system, that platform within the premises of the Blue Ribbon Committee. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
At pagkatapos, nandito yung representative ni Mr. Edgar Acosta, High Tone Construction and Development Corporation. Ang representative is Mr. Edsel Mabella. In the interest of due process, bibigyan muna natin siya ng show cause order. Kayo na po ang magsabi sa kanya that this committee issued a show cause order for him to explain his absence today, failing which he will be held in contempt, and failing which again, a warrant of arrest will be issued against him. That is very clear. If that is very clear,
Mr. Chair, isa pang request sa Chair for the next hearing po.
okay.
Kung maaari pong maimbita ng komite ang AMLAC dumalo sa susunod na hearing.
Yes, actually,
Ay,
that
sumubok
was
to
the
Chair.
idea.
Salamat,
The
Mr.
AMLAC
Chair.
will be invited in the next hearing. So, Director General, is it all right that we suspend the hearing for the time until next week? Anong araw kaya yun? Until September 8, 2025.